What are the biggest changes you think we need to make to the justice system in
in
order
in general or specifically in the 16th?
in the 16th?
Uh, the biggest changes, well, they're twofold. There are two main issues that remain on my heart and in my spirit. The first is access to justice. The court costs continue to rise, and I recognize that clerks of court have offices to run and costs are mounting for everything. And so I recognize that. But I'm also very sensitive to when those costs rise to such a degree that every man or every woman cannot access that because they can't afford it, then that's troublesome. Because the way our system is set up, whenever there is a legal cause that can't be resolved between two people, two entities, etc., that's what the courts are for. And so, if a person or an entity has an issue that cannot be resolved, but they can't afford to access the courts, then that's a problem. So, that's one area. Another area is another point that I continue to speak with and get feedback from the voters is just as I said earlier, when we talk about equity, when we talk about the distrust that many community members feel as it relates to the justice system. And so when a cause is before the judge is duty bound to follow the law. So following the rule of law, of course, is first and foremost, but it's the even-handed application of the law is where sometimes citizens have cause for concern. And so what I can pledge to do is if I am entrusted with your vote and elected to the Division H seat, I will follow the law as I will be duty bound, but it will be with an even handed application. And that is something that I pledge to you.